Good evening all. I welcome you all for the today's session, Introduction to Embedded Systems. So this is our first topic. Here we are going to deeply discuss about the introduction about embedded systems. Embedded systems is an electronic system that has a software and is embedded in computer hardware. It works in both programmable or non-programmable depending on the requirements. Embedded system is defined as a way of working, performing single or multiple tasks according to the users. Embedded systems in embedded system, all the units assemble and work according to the program. So these are all the applications of embedded systems like microwave ovens, washing machine, printers, automobiles, cameras. Then these systems use microprocessor and microcontrollers. An embedded system has three components like hardware, software and real-time operating system. So the advantages and disadvantages of embedded systems are: advantages, it is very small in size, low power consumption, low cost, enhanced performance and easily customizable. And disadvantages are high development effort and larger time to market. It takes some time in marketing. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of embedded systems. So this is the basic structure of an embedded system, which consists of sensor, A to D converter, processor and ASICs, D to A converter, then actuator and memory. So the first one is sensor. The sensor measures the physical quantity and it converts into an electrical signal which can be read by the observer or by an electronic instrument like analog to digital converter. A sensor stores the measured quantity, physical quantity into the memory. So here you can see the observer is considered as analog to digital converter. And this analog to digital converter converts the analog signal sent by the sensor into digital and feed to the processor. This processor and ASICs, this processor process the data to measure the output and store it to the memory. So this D to A converter, so the first one is sensor and second one is A to D converter, where this measured physical quantity parameters, like physical quantity parameters are nothing but your light, temperature, pressure, all those are all your physical quantities, right? So these physical quantities can be measured and observed by the observer like analog to digital converter. So this analog to digital converter as usual feeds the data into your memory. So next one is D to A converter. A digital to analog converter converts the digital data fed by the processor to the analog data. And the last one is actuator. An actuator compares the output given by the D to A converter to the actual, that is expected output stored in it, and stores the approved output. So we should know the difference between the computer, general purpose computer, and the embedded systems. In general purpose computer, it is designed using a microprocessor. Here it is mostly designed using a microcontroller as the main processing unit. In this general purpose, processor is the main processing unit. In embedded, controller is the main processing unit. It uses a large memory, semiconductor memories like cache memory, and also contains secondary storage disk, etc. It uses semiconductor, in embedded system, it uses semiconductor memories but does not require secondary memories like hard disk, CD. It sometimes has special memory called flash memory. So it is designed such that it can do a particular task according to user requirement. It is designed such that it can do a particular predefined task. So it is mostly costlier compared to the embedded system. So it is cheaper compared to the computer. It requires huge number of peripheral devices and their controllers. It is cheaper as it requires less number of peripheral devices and their controllers or microcontroller chip itself. The operating system and other software for the general purpose computers are normally complicated and occupy more memory space. The operating system real-time and other software occupy less number of memory space. So these are the difference about computer, general purpose computer and embedded systems. Thank you.